Oh, quick! Oh, snuggle into bed. Oh, that's better. Oh, Tumble Ted.
What's the matter, Mr Tumble?
Oh, I wanted to play outside, but it's all cold and wintry. Oh.
Don't worry, Mr Tumble. You could always play inside. Why don't you make a cosy den?
Wow, that's a great idea. A cosy den will keep me lovely and warm. Woohoo! Come on! Build a den! Yay! Right, let's have a look, shall we? Aha!
What is it, Mr Tumble?
Shh! Shh! Now,
I think you're going to need one more blanket, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes! I need one more blanket! Wait.
Is there a window open in here, Brenda?
Ta-da! My den is finished! Woohoo!
Wow, we love your den.
Thank you!
But what about Grandad Tumble? Won't he get cold without his blankets?
Oh, yes. Well... Aha! Shh. Don't worry, Grandad Tumble. All of my toys will keep you warm. Shh. Nice and cozy and warm. Goodbye! Whoops!
Oh dear.
That looks like a very cozy den, the boy. Oh, ahoy there, Miss Shipmates. All aboard. We're on a special journey to find pirate treasure. Wait. Hey. Land ahoy! That's where we'll find our pirate treasure.
Pirate Tumble, do you have the treasure map?
The treasure map? Well, Oh, thanks, Pirate Teddy. Right, here it is, shipmates. Look, we've got to find 3 pieces of treasure. A hat, a willy boot, and a smelly sock.
Oh, where is it?
What are you doing, Grandad Tumble?
Oh, hello. I'm looking for my sock. I can't find it anywhere. Ow!
Ooh, what was that noise, shipmates? I think it was Long John Grandad, the pirate. He's after our treasure. If you see him, will you shout, aha? Thank you. Right, I'm going to look for our treasure. Now,
Where's my sock?
Pirate Tumble, it's Long John Grandad.
what was that? Wait a second, what's this? Oh, look! I found the first piece of treasure. It's Chef Tumble's hat.
Well done, Pirate Tumble.
Thank you. Right, what's next? Let's have a look at the treasure map. It's a willy boot. I'll get digging. Now, don't forget, if you see Long John Grandad, shout aha! What was that? Oh, hang on a minute, what's this? Oh, look, it's a spotty willy boot. Woohoo!
Well done, Parrot Tumble.
Ha-ha! Thank you! Now, to find the last piece of treasure, let's have a look at the map. Oh, it's a smelly sock. Okay.
Pirate Tumble!
What was that? Oh, wow, look! The last piece of treasure! Oh, the smelly sock! I wonder who this belongs to.
Oh, my sock!
Oh, Long John Grandad has taken our treasure! Come on!
Oh,
Shall come back, Grandad! Oh, cake! Aha! Caught you!
Would you like some cake, Mr Tumble?
Ooh, cake! Delicious!
Now, can I have my sock back?
Okay. Oh, hello! Yes, I'm ready to paint my picture! Woohoo! Now, I've got some paper, I've got some brushes, and I've got lots of paint! Now, I need this brush first. Oh dear! I've spilt all the green paint! I'll use this.
It looks like grass, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes! It does look like green grass. I'll just...
Careful, Mr Tumble. Your sponge is dripping.
Oh, yes, it's dripping yellow paint. What?
Put it on the paper, Mr Tumble.
Okay, I'll pop it there.
Uh-oh, Mr Tumble. I think you need to start again.
Oh, yes. I need some new paper.
It's there, under the paint, Mr Tumble.
Oh, thank you. I'll get it.
Oh dear, Mr Tumble. Now you've got paint on your fingers.
Yes, look, they're all colourful.
Why don't you wipe your fingers clean on the paper?
Oh, good idea. Right, I'll just wipe them like that.
Now, why don't you wash your sponge, Mr Tumble?
Oh, good idea.
Look, Mr Tumble.
What is it?
You've already made a lovely picture.
Hey? What?
It's a rainbow over a flowery field on a sunny day.
Oh, yes, you're right. It's a rainbow over a flowery field on a sunny day. Woohoo!
You're very good at painting rainbows, Mr Tumble.
Well, I know.
Mr Tumble,
Yes?
please could you show us the sign for rainbow?
Oh, yes. Rainbow. You sign rainbow. Oh, good rainbow. Okay.
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Hello. Oh, hello.
What are you doing?
Oh, we're having an indoor sports day with Teddy and Grandad Tumble.
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Hey, yes, I'll have the bill, please. Do I get a discount? Hey, oh, hello. Yes, we're having an indoor sports day.
Now, first, it's the sack race.
Are you racing, Grandad Tumble?
Oh, no, not with the old back, no. You see, I've got a very important job to do, yes. I am the, commentator. Yeah. Right, are you ready, Teddy? Ready, steady, go! And he's off! Oh, and he's doing very well, and that's it, you're doing so well! Oh, no.
Don't worry, Mr Tumble. Teddy's all right. But I think you should try another indoor sport.
Yes.
I don't know.
What's next, Mr Tumble?
Aha! Football!
Football inside?
Yes! Ta-da! Table football!
Hello, Lord Tumble.
Oh, hello.
Do you have the ball?
Yes! Wait. Hey!
Oh, dear. Where's the ball gone?
Time to try something else, Mr Tumble.
Yes! Sorry, Lord Tumble.
What's next, Mr Tumble?
Ooh, the egg and spoon race.
Are you sure that's the right egg for an egg and spoon race?
Well, yes! Right, here we go. Ready, steady, go! What?
Hang on a minute.
Oh dear, Mr Tumble.
There you go, the boy.
Thank you, Grandad! Woohoo!
Don't worry, Mr Tumble. Hello, Mr Tumble.
Hey, hey, hello!
What are you doing?
Aha! Well, I'm building a train track! Woohoo! Or should I say, woohoo! All aboard! And off we go!
Clearing up after everyone.
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Hey, who said that? What you do? Hey. Oh, hello.
What are you doing?
Well, I've been tidying up, haven't I? I mean, somebody left all of this train track near my shed. Really? I mean, honestly, what's going... Hang on a minute. Look, there's more here. Oh, I don't know. I've got better things to do with my day than clearing up all of this train track. Really?
But Grandad Tumble?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I have to go and clear up. Oh, look! More track. Oh, really?
But Grandad Tumble, that's Mr Tumble.
Look, I must get on. I mean, Aunt Polly, she won't like all this mess, you know.
What are you doing, Mr Tumble?
Shh.
What are you doing in Lord Tumble's study, Mr Tumble?
I'm building my train track. Yep, I've got some over here. And I've got some over here. Choo-choo.
Right, I'll try and put this today. More train track. Oh,
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
who said that? Oh, shh. Hello.
That's Mr Tumble's train track.
I'm sorry, I can't stop. I have to tidy up this train track before Lord Tumble wakes up.
Ta-da! My train track is finished. Now I can go on the whole journey. Grandad Tumble, where's my train track?
I've been tidying it up. But don't worry, we can be trains together. Choo-choo! All aboard!
Oh, hello.
Are you waiting for the rain to stop so you can go camping?
No, I am camping. I'm going to set the tent up right here.
You're camping inside? What a great idea, Mr Tumble.
Aha, yes, I know. Right, now what I need. Here we go. There we are, put those together.
Oh dear, Mr Tumble. That doesn't look like a tent.
No, you're right. I've got a good idea. There we are, ta-da! A chair.
Why do you need a chair, Mr Tumble? Are you tired? Do you need to sit down?
Oh, I'm not tired. I need a chair to make my tent. Yeah. Right, in fact, I need 2 chairs.
Be careful, Mr Tumble.
I will. Ta-da!
That doesn't look like a tent.
No. It needs a roof. So, oh, I've got a good idea. Woohoo! Aha! Just the thing. Woohoo!
That's Grandad Tumble's coat.
Oh, don't worry. I'll put it back when I'm finished. Ta-da! My tent.
Very good, Mr Tumble. Is your tent comfy?
Oh, I don't know. Let's try it, shall we? Oh, very comfy.
Dearie me, it's raining cats and dogs outside. I'll need my coat. Hey, where's my coat? Oh, boy. I don't know. Boy, where are you? Hey, where's that coat? Hey, I don't remember putting my coat there. What's going on? Hello, the boy.
Hey, hello, Grandad Tumble. Do you, like my tent?
Oh, yes, I do as it goes. Room for a little one. Right, here we
No,
go.
not really.
Right, that's it. That's it. There we are. Yeah, well, that's lovely. Oh, yeah.
Hang on a minute. I think this is a single berth
This is
tent.
very cosy. Before I go to sleep, I need my sleeping bag. Can you get it, please, the boy?
Okay. My tent.
That's it. Up you go. It's got young legs. I just close my eyes while I'm waiting.
Here we are, Grandad. I've got your sleeping bag now. You can go to sleep.
What's that noise, Mr Tumble?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it sounds like a grizzly bear.
Don't be scared, Mr Tumble. Look, it's just Grandad Tumble. He's already asleep.
Grandad Tumble. I'm not scared now. Now I can go to sleep. I love camping. Hello! Thank you for watching! Click here to continue to watch my videos. Woohoo!